Hi, I'm Kathy O'Shea with New Age Industrial. I just want to talk to you briefly about cleaning our aluminum products. They're easy to maintain and easy to use, guaranteed for life against rust and corrosion, but you must clean them once a month. The aluminum oxidizes with the air or the environment, and that's where you get the black dust. So we recommend that you at least wipe the unit down once a month. It's easy to do. Use any kind of stainless steel wipes or stainless steel cleaner, glass cleaner. Just use the same that you would use on your stainless steel equipment, anything else. Couple critical points though. If you're going to use quat cleaner, which many people do, it's a good disinfectant. On the instructions it tells you that you must wipe the unit down, whatever you're cleaning, with water. That is important on the aluminum because it could potentially pit the aluminum over time if you just wipe it on and wipe it off and don't rinse it with the water. Also, please do not use lime-based cleaners, lime away, anything like that. It's caustic, it will corrode and pit the aluminum. Just remember the most important thing, wipe it down once a month, every 30 days with some kind of the recommended cleaners, and it'll last you forever because it's guaranteed for life against rust or corrosion. If you want more information, visit our website, newageindustrial.com. If you want to contact us at all or need some assistance, we're happy to help you at sales@newageindustrial.com.